Thoughts on growing older. Older but wiser, I thought I'd be when old age made its claim on me. I didn't know that every rain would cause my joints to ache and pain. I didn't know that the time grew near when even my thoughts were not so clear. Can't find my glasses and even worse, find lost keys safely stored in my purse. To go to the toilet I have to take pills. Who would have guessed there were so many ills, from knee replacements to heart attacks? There is not much about old age that attracts. Yet even old age has a compensation. Perhaps not enough to cause a sensation, but enough to make you sit and think instead of driving you to drink. I'm not over the hill, I sit on the summit. Down the other side I'm not ready to plummet. From where I sit I can clearly see where I've come from and where I'll soon be. Wisdom and truth can come with old age. In the book of life it's just turning a page. With younger folk I can now sit and chat saying, know what you mean, been there, done that.